Soft aluminum wire can be used in so many different ways. In its basic rounded wire form, whether it's number 10 gauge Oasis aluminum wire or the number 6 gauge Oasis mega wire, they're soft, malleable, making it extremely easy to shape. But it also misshapens easily. So did you know that you can increase the rigidity of your structure and make it look more artful by hammering the wire surface? All you need is a plain old ordinary hammer like this and a small anvil or metal sheet to get this job done. I personally like to make sure my anvil or metal sheet is on the softer surface where you can hammer to absorb the shock. So let's head on outside. So I'm outside on my deck and I've got my anvil and I got my hammer and the wire. And so I'm gonna just go ahead and hammer it. So that's on the number 10 wire. And now on the number 6 mega wire. So you want to hit it a little bit from slightly different angles so you get different kind of markings. Whoops. On the wire itself. This hammer look on the aluminum wire not only makes it look so much more aesthetically beautiful, giving it a beautiful handcrafted look, but also makes it so much more rigid so it does not go out of shape. So if you enjoyed this quick tip, make sure to like this video and to subscribe to my channel for future tutorials. Now go get hammering!